Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up screen sharing on your macOS device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up System Preferences down in our dock. So go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Go ahead and select the Sharing button. Versus screen sharing, go ahead and left click on that and then check mark the box versus on so other users can access your computer's screen. So you can see screen sharing is now on. Other users can access your computer's screen or by looking for our computer name in the Finder sidebar. And you can allow access for either all users or just certain users like administrators. You click the little plus sign to add new users in there. So again, very straightforward process there, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.